Hello, Officer Scorpio, and welcome to Friday. Sunny with a chance of Randy for the Scorpios today and tomorrow. Everyone best be aware. You may be out in the prowl. The moon in Gemini, putting emotional focus on intimacy that makes Scorpios hyper aware of all the boundaries in life. That's part of the reason why you are so good at being trustworthy, because you are so sensitive to betrayal and so sensitive to when people cross lines. That's the superpower that makes you the officer of the zodiac, and that superpower will be super today and tomorrow. Now, zipping around the solar system, the sun in Scorpio, happy birthday, by the way, Scorpios, and today ruled by Uranus. That means you have potential for a real breakthrough when it comes to the new ego you want to put out there. So if you've been looking to find that perfect suit, if you've been looking to find that perfect way of responding to a situation or how to respond to a certain person, because ego does include our defense mechanisms, our persona, the way we put ourselves out there, the way we act moment to moment. Whatever it is you've been looking for, it should show up in the next 24 hours. And I recommend, Scorpio, that once it does, you act immediately to make it happen. That's because Mars, the planet that gives us masculine aggression, the testosterone of the universe, so to speak, Mars is leaving your sign on Monday, which means Monday you'll probably be feeling a little bit droopy, maybe even on Sunday night, as you lose this massive masculine energy that you've been having for nearly your entire birthday period. Lastly, I want to tell you, on Sunday, the moon will move into Cancer, which is a water sign like you. I'm expecting Scorpios to be a bit spaced out on Sunday, doing some emotional learning. So if you really want to go out and celebrate your birthday, best nights Friday and Saturday this weekend. All right, Scorpion, that's all I got for your weekend forecast. I'll see you back on Monday. Live, love, be.